All right, everyone, here we are again with another Ryobi unboxing and product review. Today we're checking out the Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus 4.5 inch angle grinder. Is going to be model number PCL445B. Let's see what we got inside this time. All right, we got our assist handle. The 4.5 inch grinding wheel. Warranty registration, owner's manual, one additional sheet. Ryobi product catalog. And the angle grinder itself. Pretty hefty, but overall looks pretty well built. And those are the contents of the box. So let's check up the setup and then we'll give it a try. All right, so here we are in the setup of the angle grinder. For those of you that are interested, it comes in at 4 pounds, 2 ounces. Quick little review of the features. We have the lock, or the trigger lock, so locked, and then unlocked. We have the actual lock for the spindle. So if we press this down, it'll lock. And if we release it, it'll allow that to spin. The guard, very easy to adjust. It's pressure mounted, so just release, set the position you want to go for. It will go all the way around. So just set where you want it and just clamp it back down. And that locks in place. The handle, 3 mounting positions, left, top, and the right. It just screws right on, so pick your favorite position and you can just screw it into place. Another neat thing is that the tool for switching out your discs is kind of built in, well, not really built in, but hidden in the handle itself, so you'll always have that, and that just pulls right out, and that's readily available for you. So let's go ahead and swap out a disc really quick. All right, so to swap out your disc, go ahead and pull the tool from your handle. Press down on the spindle lock, twist it till it falls into space, and then you can just go counterclockwise to release. That's a little excessively loud and dramatic. See what you're working with. Just place your wheel on top. Drop the locking nut in it. Once again, press down on the lock and we'll just tighten this. And there you go. Go ahead and mount our handle on the right hand side. We'll also go ahead and store our tool so we don't lose it. And then because our hand's going to be on this side, we'll adjust the blade cover off to the right side. And there you have it. That's how you set up your Ryobi angle grinder. All right, and one quick thing I do want to note before we go in the garage and get started, I do want to mention this important little fact. So this angle grinder comes with the grinding wheel and a particular grinding wheel cover for it. If you do want to use a type 1, one of the cutting discs, you will need to get a different cover, which is sold separately. So just as an FYI, if you get this, you're only going to be able to use the grinding wheel that's included in the type 27 discs. And if you want to swap it out, you will also need to swap out the cover that's included, as it's not compatible with the other discs. All right, so here we are outside about to sharpen our shovel. We got everything mounted, the handle in place, grinding wheel in place too. Guard is locked in a good position. We'll turn the lock off, so once again we'll click it over and then we just have the trigger. Grab your handle and go to town. We'll lock it. Make sure nothing turns on. See if the video will capture it. Nice clean edge now on the shovel. See if we can focus on it properly. No complaints there. Does pretty well. It's nice and sharp and nice and clean. So overall, very pleased. Simple, easy. We just have a small 2 amp Ryobi battery on it and it does perfectly well. It's got a good amount of power to it. Like I said, not too heavy. With the battery, it's about 4.5 pounds. Manageable, and it works. Overall, very pleased. Kind of disappointed that it didn't come with the other guard to swap out the discs, but for now this will do, especially with the spring coming in. I got a few long blades I need to get sharpened as well. So hope you enjoyed the review. Like and subscribe. If you need anything else, let me know.